Bitcoin is at its all-time high and I should be going live, but nevertheless we are exactly following the pattern of our investment strategy. I've always been convinced, actually since 2 years, that we're gonna hit 250,000 with BTC by the end of 2025 and we're gonna see Ethereum hitting 15,000 by the end of 2025. All I can say is that we are on track. We are on track. Proud, I'm happy, and it's a good moment. This is also the reason why in this video I want to talk about Binance. First of all, I think it's a good investment, it's a good coin, lots of potential. The company, I'm calling it a company because they're making real revenue and they're making a ton of money. But from my point of view, it's also the best exchange, it's the best crypto exchange, and I have actually used Binance ever since they launched and I've never had any problems with them. So if you're looking for an exchange, I can only really wholeheartedly recommend Binance. But let's get into the details of Binance. Just a few months after its launch, Binance has taken the world by storm as the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, growing still at lightning speed. Over the past 8 years, Binance has grown from a fledgling startup into a global powerhouse, revolutionizing the way we think about finance, trading, and the future of money. So whether you are a seasoned trader, a crypto enthusiast, or just curious about the buzz, this video is going to give you a fresh perspective on the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. Zero to hero in only 165 days. Binance was launched on the 14th of July 2017, and within merely 165 days, Binance became the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world by trading volume. There were a number of internal and external factors that launched Binance to stardom. Yes, timing and luck were among them, yet more important was Binance's ability to fill some gapping needs within the crypto market of the day, and which was truly a testament to its visionary founders, user focus, sharp instinct, and judgment. At that time, the crypto industry had seen several bull and bear markets already, yet there was barely any cryptocurrency exchange that dedicated itself fully to the user experience. Systems were slow and customer service teams were often not responsive enough, or let's say they were not even there. Binance decided to do it better, and they are doing it better, and they did it better, and they did that from early on. See, early on Binance launched an institutional grade trading engine and a dedicated customer service team, and offered an innovative suite of cryptocurrency products geared to match users' most immediate needs, and let me put it like that, also user friendly. Now listen to this, from 2 to 200 million users in 7 years. Binance attracted over 2 million users within its first 6 months of operations, and yes, I was one of them. Today it serves more than 280 million registered users, and this continues to grow. And this continuous growth is proof that Binance has gotten several things right from the get-go. So since day one, Binance has focused on user-centric approach, offering low fees and high liquidity, supporting a wide range of cryptocurrencies, strong security measures, large-scale marketing campaigns. Binance's affiliate marketing program awards up to 50% commission fees, referral bonuses, and promotion. And, very important, a proactive community engagement by Binance's leadership on social media. Furthermore, Binance Pay is the #1 off-chain crypto payment service. So Binance Pay is a revolutionary payment feature that allows users to send money globally within seconds. With fees starting from, yes, zero, Binance Pay is both cost-effective and efficient. And this service underscores Binance's commitment to making financial transactions as seamless and accessible as possible. Binance Pay is an off-chain wallet, but is now among the top crypto payment methods along with the Bitcoin and Ethereum networks, and since 2021 Binance Pay's total volume has crossed more than $200 billion. SAFU is AFU. It started with Binance. So SAFU is an acronym for Secure Asset Fund for Users. The term has become part of the crypto lexicon. You see, in 2018, former Binance CEO Xiaoping Zhao, which is known as CC, tweeted during Binance's unscheduled maintenance that became iconic: "Funds are safe." and the term "save few" was born. To safeguard user funds from security breaches that plagued the cryptocurrency industry at the time, Binance established the Secure Asset Fund for Users SAFU in July 2018. And currently, SAFU holds more than $1 billion in reserve to cover any potential losses in case of a security breach. And this initiative not only provides a safety net for users, but also instills confidence in the security measures implemented by Binance. And Binance is also really fast. You see, in an industry where timely support can make a significant difference, right? Because we're trading our money, Binance leads the market with one of the fastest customer support response times, clocking in at less than 1 minute. The customer service team is Binance's largest department, handling a range of responsibilities from immediate user inquiries, training, quality assurance, real-time user feedback analysis to token recovery. And the customer service department supports 17 languages and covers dozens of business sectors, ensuring a very wide global reach. And after we just highlighted some interesting facts about Binance that may not always be obvious to the public, it's time to understand the basics. Now let's talk about the difference between Binance and the BNB chain. Because of the fact that Binance was originally involved in initiating the blockchain, many people mistakenly assume that Binance and the BNB chain can be spoken of as one and the same. That it is Binance's chain. This is, however, not the case. You see, Binance is a centralized organization behind an expansive ecosystem that includes the largest digital asset exchange in the world by trading volume, among a vast range of other products and services. Now, the BNB chain was originally initiated by Binance, but has since grown to become a community-driven, permissionless and decentralized blockchain ecosystem. Binance is now simply one of the many contributors operating within the BNB chain ecosystem rather than some kind of dominant force wielding unilateral power over it. Binance does not own or control BNB chain. BNB chain now exists as a fully decentralized ecosystem run by its community and a distributed network of validators. Today, Binance runs the largest digital asset exchange in the world by trading volume. See, back in 2017, it launched the BNB utility token with the initial case or use case of allowing users to receive discounts when paying their trading fees. That token has since added hundreds of other use cases, and one of them is paying fees to use the BNB chain, which as of July 2025 is one of the largest smart contract blockchain in terms of transaction volume, with an ecosystem of more than 5,700 active decentralized applications, also known as STAP. Now let's get into the coin market cap data. The live BNB price today is trading at $688, and the current coin market cap ranking is number 5 with a live market cap of almost 100 billion, trading at 13% below its all-time high, which was recorded on December 4th, 2024. Now, as always, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps, and as you know, it's with great conviction and hard work that I try to provide you top quality projects, and in this case, both an exchange and a token. So do me a favor, hit the like, subscribe to the channel, join the live streams when they're gonna be on, I hope soon, so that you can become among the top 1%. My name is Nico Aracha, and I am a real investor. So, among most cryptocurrency exchanges currently on the market, Binance is considered to have the most diverse ecosystem. Some of the most typical products and services of Binance Virtual Currency Exchange include spot trading. There are more than 740 cryptocurrency and fiat currency pairs listed, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB on Binance Spot, with an order matching system capable of processing up to 1.4 million orders per second. Margin loan trading. I'm not a fan of margin loans, but that's up to you. I don't use it. It's dangerous. You can lose all your money, but and remember, do all your research yourself. But margin loan trading, this is a method of trading assets using loans, leverage provided by a third party. This allows investors to use large capital with the opportunity to make large profits. You can also trade futures contracts with leverage up to 125. You see, futures trading allows investors to buy cryptocurrencies in anticipation of future prices. If they are correct, or if your assessment is correct of market fluctuations, it can create huge profit opportunity whether cryptocurrency prices go up and down, but be very careful with that. Furthermore, you can save directly on the Binance exchange. As the investors, they can choose one of the cryptocurrencies supported by Binance, such as BNB, USDT, BUSD, other DeFi coins, and flexible saving forms allows you to receive interest, and you can choose to withdraw deposits at any time or fixed savings for higher profits. There are also the Binance pools. You see, Binance Pool is a comprehensive and feature-rich service platform built specifically for miners to increase their income. The platform pays miners regularly and offers low fees and many other products to help maximize profits when mining cryptocurrencies. Next is the Binance Launchpad, and this is a platform that helps blockchain projects call for investment capital while increasing the project's access to the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Currently, Binance Launchpad is operated with many functions such as token selling platform with more than 10 million users on Binance, support for product launch, projects, brand promotions, etc. etc. Furthermore, they got P2P trading, and this is a fundamental feature of Binance trading that allows direct transactions between users or with merchants, where Binance only acts as an intermediary. This feature was launched in the Vietnamese market in January 2020, allowing investors to own BTC, ETH, USDT in BNB right on the Binance platform. After that, investors can switch from the P2P feature to the spot, margin or contract futures trading feature without fees and without going through intermediary platforms. Now, we also got the Binance NFT marketplace. Now, we got to say, there's not been so much talk about NFTs recently, but it might come back. And this is considered a stormy tool recently when it creates opportunities for artists to conduct exhibitions and sell their art products, naked monkeys, dancing monkey, through the form of an NFT. Binance NFT marketplace is expected to be a turning point for the art product business. So before we end, I want to give you some, let's say, some security tips on how to use Binance. Now, I use Binance myself. I have a lot of faith in Binance, but remember, it is still a centralized exchange, and the most important thing is I use it to trade. I use it, there's lots of liquidity, but I will still at times take my coins and transfer them to my hardware wallet, which is a ledger. But one of the most important issues investors need to keep in mind when using Binance is, of course, the issue of security. And to keep your account safe, I would recommend the following. Obviously, set a strong password and change it regularly. This seems very basic, but it will help a lot because there are actually a large number of investors participating in this exchange. Also, make sure to keep your password safe and don't share it with anyone, right? This is very basic, but is important. Secondly, enable the two-factor authentication. This helps create an additional layer of security. Even if a hacker gets the password, access to the investor's physical 2FA, the two-factor authentication device, is still needed to log in. Basically what that is that I have on my phone, you got the Google two-factor authentication, and every time I need to log in and make a transaction, I will get an immediate password that I can type in, and it offers a real significant level of security. Furthermore, enable Binance anti-phishing code. When you add the anti-phishing code to your Binance account, any emails you receive from cryptocurrency exchange Binance will display this code at the top, and this way you can be sure that what you are receiving is actually from Binance and not from a fake email address. So that's it from me today. I hope to upload more videos, but the main thing is, and this is the message to our core followers of this channel. I miss you a lot, you know that, but I do believe and I hope that all the live streams that we did in the past was the fundamental understanding of the crypto market, of identifying the right market leaders of tomorrow. The fact that we are seeing Bitcoin hitting an all-time high, and it's been now the third day in a row. What can I say? We're on track. Hope to see you soon. And as you all know, don't think too much. It can truly cause depression. My name is Nico Arachi, and I am a real investor.